The Jewel Bird Park. There's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the High Flyers Show, featuring an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free fly performances at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m.
暫時未有嘢喎，你見到你話我聽嗰個，我哋坐緊乜嘢啊？係啊，表演啊，好。
我哋坐住吹吹吹啦，好唔好啊？
吹吹清會點樣？有咩聲啊？
勁高，
勁高，勁高。
咕咕係咪？
就會叮叮叮係嘛？我睇下有冇叮叮叮。
Look, California's on both sides. Bright and colorful blooms, only found in the tropical rainforest. The Jewel Bird Park is one of the largest conservation centers in the world, and the only one in Asia.
我呢度呢條路就係車行嘅，應該係咁窄。哇 ，Flamingo 啊！
又話我嗰邊最多嘢睇。
見唔見到？陣間到你㗎，你見唔見到？好快好快。呢隻就係
一邊㗎嘛。
To your right, dazzling bright red orange birds.
媽媽又話我嗰邊最多嘢睇。
就有㗎啦，你次次。